Go stand in front of her. Go stand in front of her once real quick. Try to get her to come by you, James. She was just walking forward in it. No. Just try to... She's going to walk. She just moved herself forward. Hello. Hey. You want to sit up here? You want to sit up here? Yeah, I know. That's because that's whose phone it used to be. Yeah, I know. I changed it.